Alright guys, what's up? Me and my brother are both really allergic to peanuts, and he was like super scared of it. So I made some makeshift peanut butter. Kind of looks like it, cinnamon and honey. Put some of it right here. See it? Yeah. So I'm gonna go prank him. Let's go. Peanut butter?
No.
You sure?
Dad, nigga, fuck you.
Here.
Dude, stop, nigga.
Here.
What are you doing?
Eat it.
Just do it.
Alright, fine.
I will fuck you up.
Here.
I will fuck, nigga. I will throw the dude bed. Dude,
Take it. You just spilled stuff on you.
I'll get fucked. I'll fuck this
Fucking
shit.
eat it.
Jake, he throws his food up the
I
grass.
swear to God, get one more step closer to me, I will fuck you up. I will end you like a bitch.
Watch!
Nigga, I will end your
Eat
shit.
it.
Yeah, I swear to God.
Here. Just taste it. Taste it.
Jake, stop
I'm
now.
gonna fucking. Alright, you got 3 seconds, nigga. 3. Stop! What are those?
Peanut butter.
No.
You really can wash it off before you start getting into it. Alright, so that was the prank. Yeah, he freaked out like you saw. But like the video, subscribe. I'll try and prank him as much as I can. So peace.